इनपुट ए आणि बी घ्यायची, ए बी सी इनपुट घ्यायची आणि त्यामध्येच ऑपरेशन करायचे. ओके, मार्क युअर अटेंडन्स. Mark the attendance in classwork as well as in chat box. 47 students. 47. Okay, 47 students are present. Fastly mark the attendance in classwork as well as in chat box. Okay, done the equation. May I clear the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what is the equation for the sum?
Ma'am,
What
A
is
XOR B XOR C.
Yes. A XOR B XOR C. This is the sum equation. And what is the carry equation? What is the carry equation?
AB plus C in bracket A plus B.
AB plus C in bracket
A plus B.
A plus
A
B.
plus B. So first draw the logic diagram for the sum, then attach with this and then draw the carry. Means how many inputs we are?
3 inputs.
How many
3 inputs.
inputs? So first is the A, second is the B, and third one is the C.
C.
So write the inputs. So A, B, and the C. Okay, here write the C0 because CC will be common. So C0 means the carry. Okay, so first sum says that it is the A XOR B XOR C. Okay, so when we perform the XOR operation in BC, so which gate we can use?
XOR gate.
XOR gates. We can directly use the XOR gate between the A, B, and C because XOR gate contain two or more inputs, B and C. So we can directly use the XOR gate. So use the XOR gate for the A, B, C inputs. So the output is sum equals to,
A XOR B XOR C.
C.
yes, directly write the output, that is A XOR B XOR C. Okay, and then it is the equation for the sum. Then next the carry equation. What is the first term?
AB.
So first we write the A and the B. And which gates are present between the A and B?
AND gate.
AND gate. So draw the AND gate. So this is the AND gate. And the output of this gate is A.
AB.
Dot B.
Then next, what is the term next? We can
C.
write the A plus B easily. First we create A plus B, then we can attach with C. Okay. So first we write the A plus B. So we can continue this A and again we continue this B and write the A plus B. So A plus B, which gates
Or
are present between?
OR gate.
That is OR gate. So we can write the here the OR gate. Draw the circuit for the OR gate, and this is the output is
A plus B.
A plus B. And within A plus B and the C, which gates are present?
AND gate, ma'am.
AND gate. So we can use the inputs for the next, that is C, and this is output. We are connected using the AND gate. This is the output and this is the inputs, and the C and the A plus B are join with the AND gate. So the first input is A plus B, or you can write the C, and the second input is, you can write the first input is C. Second input is A plus B, and within a C and A plus B, AND gates are present, and we know that the AND gate is represented by
Dot.
Dot symbol.
dot symbol. Okay, and the last is A plus B. Next
Yes.
is A plus B, and A plus B and C into A plus B. Both gates are generated here. Both gates are drawn. A plus B and C into A plus B. And both the equation will be joined using the plus symbol. So this is first input is A plus B. Second input is C into A plus B. And both the equation will be joined using the which gate?
OR gate.
OR gate.
Gate. So we can perform the OR gate, we can draw the OR gate and write the equation for the carry is, what is the first input for the OR gate? What is the first input?
AB.
Here, AB.
AB.
First input is AB. Second input is
C in bracket A plus B.
C in
C in bracket A plus B. But you know that the OR gate is represented by
Plus symbol.
plus symbol. So within the first input and second input, we write the plus symbol. So this is the equation for the carry. Okay, understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Any doubt?
no, ma'am.
No.
Okay. All students understand the circuit logic diagram for the full adder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down this. Write down the diagram. "47 student mark the attendance and total student is 50. Remaining student fastly mark the attendance. Fastly marks attendance in classwork as well as in chat box. Fastly marks attendance in classwork as well in chat box. "52 out of 52. Okay, done?
Yes,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Done.
Okay, so this is the half adder, full adder. When we perform the addition operation, there are two types of binary adder. First is half adder, second one is the full adder. So what is meant by half adder? What is meant by half adder?
Ma'am, 3 inputs and 2 outputs.
Half adder.
Oh,
I will say the half adder. What is
ma'am,
meant
2
by
inputs
half
and 2
adder?
outputs. 2 inputs
Yes.
and 2
It is the combinational circuits and it contains two inputs and the two outputs. Output in the form of
sum and carry.
sum and carry. Okay, good. Then next, full adder. What is meant by full adder?
3 inputs
Ma'am,
and 2
the
outputs.
full
Yes, Sonali.
ma'am, the full adder is a combinational circuit that has three input and produces two output.
Okay, good. So full adder is a combinational circuit. It contains the three inputs and two outputs and output again in the form of
Sum and carry.
yes, sum and carry. So when we discussed the half adder and full adder, but when using the when using the full adder, what is the application of the full adder, or where we use the full adder? So that write down the application of the full adder. Write down the next topic in the full adder, that is the application of full adder. Write down in that. It is used in the digital diary. It is used in the digital
मैम
diary.
रिपीट करें ना.
Application of full adder. Applications of full adder. Write down in that. It is used in the digital diary. It is used in the digital diary. Next, second one. It is used in digital computers. It is used in digital computers. And last one. It is used in ALU, capital ALU. What is the long form of ALU?
Arithmetic logic unit.
Yes, arithmetic and logic unit. It is used in ALU, in bracket arithmetic logic unit. Why it is used?
To solve logical equations.
Logical. अरिथमेटिक का मीनिंग क्या है?
मैम एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन,
Yes,
मल्टीप्लिकेशन,
yes, yes. Good, good. They perform the arithmetic operations like the addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. So this circuit or this full adder is also used in the ALU for performing the arithmetic operation. So this is total half adder and the full adder. Okay, understand? All the students understand half adder and full adder?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So write down the difference between half adder and full adder. Write down the comparison of half adder and full adder. Half adder and full adder. Write down in the first column half adder. Write down in the second column full adder. Full adder. Okay. In the first comparison, draw the block diagram for both the half adder and the full adder. Write down the block diagram. येईल draw करता?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so draw the block diagram for half adder and full adder. The block diagram says that the half adder has 2 inputs and 2 outputs, and the full adder says that it has 3 inputs and the 2 outputs.
To output.
Yes.
Done, ma'am.
Then
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
okay. Write down in next line. Second point. It contains. Second point. In the half adder, it contains 2 inputs. It contains 2 inputs and 2 outputs. In the half adder, write down it contains 2 inputs and 2 outputs. 2 inputs and 2 outputs. And write down in the full adder, it contains
Three inputs and
Three.
two outputs.
3 inputs and 2 outputs.
Yes, good, good. Three inputs and two outputs. Redone full adder. It contains three input and two output. Done.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Redone
ma'am.
next point. It adds in redone in half adder. It adds two bits. It adds two bits. And write down in the full adder, it adds
3 bits.
three bits. It adds three bits. Write down in next half adder. It is used as it is used as it is used as building block of building block of building block of full adder. Building block of full adder. And write down in full adder. It is used as basic building block of basic building block of n bit parallel adder. N bit parallel adder.
Ma'am, N capital का?
No, small.
Okay, ma'am.
And write down the next point in the half adder. Uses dash करून लिहा. Computers and calculators. Computers and calculators. Computers and calculators means half adder used in the computers or calculators. Then next full adder. Write down in full adder. Practically used in n bit adder comma ALU, capital ALU. Capital ALU, comma digital processors. Okay, so this is the difference between the half adder and the full adder. So next one topic is the subtractors. In the binary subtractor, again there are the two types. First one is the half subtractor and second one is the full subtractor. But when we perform, yes. आवाज येतोय का?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Binary subtractors. So when we perform the binary subtraction, we know that there are four rules for subtraction. The first rule is when subtractors, okay. The rules of binary, you know that when A is 0, B is 0. And when we perform the subtraction between them, so what is the output?
Borrow,
0
0 0
Difference,
difference and borrow.
and borrow.
borrow. The output in the form of difference and borrow.
borrow
If A is 0, that is first input is 0 and second input is 0, so output is difference is
0,
0
borrow is
0.
0
0.
next. When the A is 1 and B is 0, then difference is
1 and borrow 0.
yes,
Borrow.
and borrow is 0. Next,
0
if A is 1 and also B is 1, then difference is
1
0
1.
0.
Difference is
Difference 0, borrow 0.
0
Borrow.
general तुमची subtraction आहे 1 minus 1, the difference is 0, borrow is not generated, so again this is 0. And next, A is 0 minus B is 1.
Difference 1, borrow 1.
And
Yes,
difference one
difference is
borrow.
also 1 and borrow is also 1. So this is
1.
the rules of subtractions. So when we use the binary subtractor, there are again two types. First one is the half subtractor and the second one is
Second
the
one,
full
full
subtractor.
subtractor.
full sir.
Half subtractor is same as the half adder, but only difference in the operations. Means in the half adder we perform the addition, but in the half subtractor we perform the subtraction. Okay. So what is the definition of the half subtractor? Anyone? What is the definition of half subtractor?
Ma'am,
Same as the half adder, only difference in the output.
it is a combination circuit with two inputs and two outputs. It is the basic building blocks for subtraction of two single bits number. This circuit has two outputs, namely difference and borrow.
Okay. So half subtractor is a combinational circuit with two inputs and the two outputs, and the output in the form of
Difference and borrow.
difference and borrow. It is simple definition for the half adder. Okay. So when we write the block diagram, we can easily write the block diagram same as the half adder, only difference in the output. Then when we perform the half adder, again this is a table of the half adder. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
This is also table of half adder because it again perform the two inputs A and B, and the two outputs is the difference and borrow. Okay. And when we create a K-map for the half subtractor, so where the value is 1, हम जब हाफ एडर हाफ सब्सट्रैक्टर का के मैप ड्रॉ करेंगे तो यहाँ पे कितने वेरिएबल्स है?
2 variables.
जब 2 वेरिएबल्स है तो टोटल नंबर ऑफ सेल्स इज
4.
4.
4. Okay, so write the A here and then write the B here, and it is A bar and it is the A, and next is the B bar and
B.
B. So where we place the 1 for the difference? It is a K-map for difference.
A bar B.
Second cell.
First position.
In the
Yes,
first
ma'am. First position.
in the cell number 1. Then next 1 0 also value is 1.
Third position.
A B bar. So A B bar in the
Third cell.
third or second?
Second, ma'am.
Second. Okay, and the remaining values will be
Second.
0.
0.
So what is the equation for the difference? What is the equation?
A bar B
A
plus
bar B plus A B bar.
A B
A
bar.
bar B
plus
plus A B bar, that is A B bar, that is
ma'am, XOR.
yes, that is A
XOR
XOR B.
B.
This is the equation for the XOR gate. So write the directly as a XOR B. Okay. Same the equation for the borrow. We directly says that the equation for the borrow, but we can draw the K-map for that. I can shortly draw the K-map for borrow. So where we place the one? Because only one value is present. So for A bar
First.
A bar B,
in the
first position.
first. So for the borrow equation is
A bar B.
A bar B.
yes, bar B. A bar B. And write directly the logic diagram for that. So there are two inputs. First one is the A, second one is the B. So for the difference, what is the equation? For the difference, what is the equation? क्या equation?
XOR
A XOR B.
A
A
XOR B.
or B. Write the XOR gate between the A and B. So this is the difference. And the borrow equation is
AND gate. A bar dot B.
A bar B. So we can write again the which gate?
AND gate.
And get
For A bar,
A bar not gate.
NOT gate. And join to the B. That is the second inputs. And within the A bar and the B, the which gates are present?
AND gate.
AND gate.
So this is the logic diagram for
AND gate.
borrow. Borrow. Okay, understand the half subtractor because we already know the half adder. It is same as the half adder, only difference in the output. Logic diagram is very simple because it can generate first is the XOR gate, second one is the AND gate with a NOT gate because A bar is present. So when we present the A bar, we directly get the input A to with NOT gate. Okay, understand? Half subtractor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, write down in that. First, write down the heading as a binary subtractor. Huh? And in that, write the rules of that. First, this 0 minus 0, 0 minus 1, 1 minus 0, 1 minus 1. In binary subtractor, write this rule. And then write down the heading as the types of binary subtractors. Okay, one by one, fastly write down. Fifty-four. 52 students. Okay, done?
टेबल नंतर काय लिहायचंय?
Types of binary subtractor. Types of binary subtractors. And write down in that the types of binary subtractors. Yes, Vaishnavi. वैष्णवी क्या प्रॉब्लेम आहे?
मॅम चुकीने झालं होतं.
Okay. Write down types of binary subtractors. Write down in that the types of binary subtractors are. The types of binary subtractors are. Write down in that first, that is half subtractor, and second one is the full subtractors. First one is the half subtractors, and second one is the full subtractors. The next one, give the heading as the half subtractor. Write down the first half subtractors. Half subtractor. Write down in that half subtractor. Half subtractor is a combinational circuit. Is a combinational circuit. Is a combinational circuit with two inputs and two outputs. With two inputs and two outputs. two outputs. Write down in bracket. What are the two outputs?
Borrow and difference.
Difference and borrow.
Difference and borrow. Write down in bracket difference and borrow. Bracket complete. Write down in next line. It produces the difference between the two binary bits two binary bits at the input and also produces an output
मैम रिपीट करें.
it produces the difference between two binary bits at the input and also produces an output in bracket borrow to indicate if one has been borrowed. If one has been borrowed. One has been borrowed. In the next line, in the subtraction